Hi, this is the Red Magic 8 Pro and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google option on this device. So first launch Google app, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Click to the Google Assistant section and tap to Voice Match. Hey Google and Voice Match. You'll see here OK Google switcher. Just to activate this option, click once on the switcher, then tap to More to I agree. Once again more I agree, continue. Not now. So we could see that the Hey Google option successfully enabled. If you want an assistant to recognize your voice, just tap to Voice Model section, click to retain voice model, and say, OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then just tap to finish on the right down corner, not now, and when you'll say now, OK Google or Hey Google, you could see that this option successfully enabled. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.